This video provides an overview of the Financial and Economic Assessment Model, which I will refer to as the FEAM from this point forwards. The Triple Point Heat Networks Investment Management Team will use the FEAM to score projects and to rank your performance against the scoring criteria in order to allocate HNIP funds accordingly. The scoring criteria and how they are applied are covered in separate videos, which are also available on our website. The FEAM allows us to calculate the level of grant or loan that we believe is required to support the financial viability of your scheme, along with a number of other key metrics used to assess and score applications such as heat generated, carbon saved and social net present value. Social net present value, which is further explained on page 11 of the application guidance, is used by the government as a metric to assess the economic value of a project. The FEAM will enable us to calculate the social net present value of your project by comparing the costs of your scheme with the costs of a counterfactual, which is the best estimate of the likely alternative means of securing heat for your customers where the scheme has not been implemented. This will also take account of and value carbon emission reductions and air quality improvements. Even if your project doesn't have a positive social net present value, it can still be allocated funding as long as it helps to achieve the strategic aims of the Heat Networks investment project, such as innovation or building the capacity to improve or expand heat networks in the future. The FEAM, created by the Triple Point Heat Networks Investment Management Team, includes weighting factors that prevent applicants from gaming the process or manipulating it to their advantage, and it aims to ensure parity between smaller and larger projects. Within the Excel application form workbook, there are a number of FEAM worksheets that require you to input certain types of data. Please provide this data in the format and units that have been indicated, and please ensure that the data is consistent with the data used within your own Stage 1 or Stage 2 financial model that you will also submit as part of your application. The data recorded in your application form will be directly uploaded into the FEAM and will generate the assessment metrics upon which your assessment will be based. The FEAM generates 3 of the 4 scored assessment criteria: the metrics around heat generated, carbon saved, and the potential for future decarbonisation and expansion. The model will also calculate where the project sits regarding state aid thresholds. The FEAM also undertakes a test to ascertain whether or not projects will generate customer detriment, which is defined on page 14 of the application guidance. In short, this robust model will help us to thoroughly assess a project against specific criteria, creating something that can be compared with other projects. As a result, we ask that when filling in the FEAM worksheets on the application form, you don't disrupt the data inputs or add and delete any headings, as this will disrupt the flow of data into our model.